Morning! Breakfast time! Fried rice with egg, pancit canton with egg, sardines, fried sardines. Yan. Ang gulay kong okra, masarap, with egg. Let's eat! Kain tayo, guys! Morning breakfast. Yan. May fried rice ako dito. Ayan. Fried rice. Kain tayo.